Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add your display name on booking.com account. So first we're going to go to the booking.com app. Then once you're here, going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then next we're going to click on personal details under manage account. Then we're going to scroll downwards all the way to the bottom. Then there's the display name section, we're going to click on it. So now we're going to choose our display name. It doesn't have to be necessarily your name. You guys could choose any display name. Then click on save. So this is how you register your display name. It's a very simple process. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store. It's such a helpful booking app. So make sure you download it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.